How to import your multi-coin wallet. All right, as simple as this topic may sound, all right, so many persons have lost access to their funds. And speaking from a lot of experiences, I mean a lot of other users experiences, because I get to see a lot of cases like this every single day. So you might want to subscribe to my channel as I bring up tips like this and helpful tips like this. All right, and then enable the notification bell button so that whenever I upload, you get updated on every information I bring across to you. Also like my video. It also helps to push the video to other persons so that we could get more members in our community. Then comment your thoughts. All right. Anyways, now, as simple as this topic may sound, all right, a lot of persons have lost access to their phones because of simple mistakes. All right, I have a lot of cases. I have some that I've still not been able to solve because it's really tedious. All right, because of a simple mistake. Now, this video is detailed enough to tell you how to import your multi-coin wallet. And before you know how to import your multi-coin wallet, it is noteworthy to understand what it means to store your recovery phrase properly. All right, it is noteworthy to store your recovery phrase properly so that when you're importing it, when it's time to import, you won't have any issue, because just a single letter in your recovery phrase can spoil every single thing. All right, just a single letter can spoil every single thing. So let's dive right into the video right now. Before I go on to show you guys how to actually import a multi-coins wallet, all right, this is typical way that most persons store their recovery phrase, and this is typical way that we do store our recovery phrase. And then I'm going to do that. All right, so I'm going to spot out some mistakes that most person makes. All right, I'll use that to drive my message home to you guys, so pay attention really quick. All right. All right, so let me assume I want to write down a random recovery phrase, and let's start with the you are on your Trust wallet and you want to write down a random recovery phrase. Like say the first word is come, and then the second word is offer, offer, yellow, go, sure, pure, hard, tomorrow, now, left, green, and false. Now, when most persons are writing down their recovery phrase, just as you can see here, the most mistake that they make is mixing, let's say, mixing word number 2 with word number 1, or writing it down without numbering. All right, so that's the most mistake. That's the mistake that most person make. All right, so you can see me writing down these words. All right, now what most person does is they write, let's say, green in capital letter. First letter is capital letter, and then green, that's uppercase. All right, while recovering your wallet, if any of these letters, any of these words, any of the letters is in capital letter, it won't work. All right, that's number 1. Number 2, while recovering your wallet, look at the word, let's say, look at the word yellow. If at the end of the day you wrote down based on your writing, most person writes yellow like this, yellow. All right, and then because of the pattern of the writing, you don't know whether what they wrote there is Yahoo or yellow or yellow. All right, I don't know if you guys can see, or yellow. So at the end of the day, after a long year, when they want to recover their wallet, they get confused which words they wrote there. Imagine this was the first one that they wrote here. So most persons get confused at that, and just that single letter, let's say you wrote yellow, and then just as it is here, and then you are trying to import yellow. Even if every other things are correct, this single word will make you unable to recover your funds or recover your wallet. All right, so take note of this. All right, then another thing is, why importing your wallet one, and there's another thing, there's another problem. One problem is, if the words are always, let's say, come, offer, yellow, and we want to write off, they are always single space apart. Let me bring it. They are always single space apart, not double, not double space. The moment you put double, even if the entire seed phrase are correct, you won't be able to import your wallet. And that single mistake can make you to lose access to your phone, just as it has happened in many cases. All right, so in most cases, one or two of this scenario occur why most users are trying to import their wallet. So as we go on with the video, I'm going to review more. With all that said, you already have your recovery phrase saved somewhere. Copy it or ready to have it written down, because the next interface I might be going into, you might not be able to see for security reasons. All right, so have to tap on your Trust Wallet. All right, the new Trust Wallet that you have. So if you already have an existing Trust Wallet, so you might have to click on setting right here, the setting button. Click on setting, then click on that arrow at the top. Let's click here. All right, so when you tap there, then you click on that plus button at the top right hand side, that's here. All right, so tap there. All right, then you already have a wallet, so you have to tap I already have a wallet. All right, so now instead of choosing any of these individual chain, a blockchain, you choose multi-coin wallet. At this moment, you can't see my screen again, so you have to write the individual recovery phrase till it gets to the amount that's 12 or 24. All right, and at this point in time, make sure none is appearing uppercase. Make sure there's no double spacing. Make sure the spelling are actually correct. So for me, I have to paste mine here and then tap import. So the moment I hit import, if everything is actually correct, it starts loading and then it automatically imports. Boom, here is my wallet. I have my wallet back now. So as simple as this is just how to import or your wallet, your multi-coin wallet on Trust Wallet. So, do you love this video I'm making for you guys? Did you learn something new? Please do well to subscribe. Subscribe to my channel, alright? If this actually made you learn something new, or if you actually learned something new from this video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video so that YouTube algorithm can push it as far as possible and more users can come join us, alright?